electrophilic. Today we are going to discuss electrophilic addition reactions. What are electrophiles? Electro means what? Electron, negative charge. Phile means what? They love the negative charge. They love negative charge means obviously they contain net charge. They are positive charge species. So right now you remember electrophiles are positively charged species. Point number one. They contain positive charge. So generally electrophiles positive charge. So these electrophilic addition reactions, which compounds they undergo these reactions are mainly alkenes. So alkenes undergo these addition reactions. Alkenes undergo electrophilic addition reactions. For example, you see alkenes CH2 double bond CH2. This is ethylene or ethene. This is called ethylene or ethene. If you observe this compound, this is called a symmetrical compound. Sir, why this is symmetrical? Because this double bond carbon, this side and this double bond carbon has same H2, symmetrical. This is called symmetrical alkenes. Symmetrical alkenes. If you are adding, for example, HBr, let us add HBr to that. HBr, hydrogen bromide, HBr. When you are adding HBr to this one, so what happens? Addition reaction takes place. Why? Because generally double bonds they always try to become single bond. Double bonds they always try to become what? Single bond. Why? To become stable. To become more stable, double bonds they always try to convert to single bond. So how? By adding some compounds. So this is addition reaction. Here what happens? Hydrogen and bromine, two are there. Is it clear? Hydrogen added to one carbon and bromine added to other carbon. Hydrogen added to one carbon and bromine added to another carbon. How? For example, say hydrogen is adding to this carbon. Assume bromine is adding to this carbon, or vice versa. Change it. So any carbon, hydrogen added to any carbon, the product will not change. So what is the product here? What is the product is CH2Br. CH2Br. CH2Br, a single bond CH3. Is it clear? Because say hydrogen added to this one, this is converted to CH3. Bromine added to this one, this is converted to CH2Br. Or opposite also. Or opposite is what? This is CH2Br. Both are same product. Is it clear? So this is ethyl bromide, ethylene, bromoethane. Understood? That means if it is a symmetrical alkene, you will get only one product. If it is symmetrical alkene, you will get only one product. That is, I will give one more example. You see, for example, I will give another symmetrical alkene, CH3, CH double bond CH3. This is also symmetrical. Sir, why this is symmetrical? Because carbon double bond carbon, if you observe, this side you have HCH3, this is also HCH3. This is symmetrical alkene. When you are adding HBr, when you add HBr to this, for example, hydrogen added to this one and bromine added to this one, you will get which product? What is the product here? You will get product CH3, CH, second carbon bromine, CH2, CH3. This is the product. Why we have added to this carbon? This carbon carries the bromine. Observe board carefully. Or opposite, you check. Opposite means what? For example, hydrogen added to this one, bromine added to this one. What we should get here? CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. Correct? No, opposite. This is also same compound. Observe same compound because here 2-bromobutane, numbering here 2-bromobutane. Both are 2-bromobutanes only. Observe carefully. Both are 2-bromobutanes only. Correct? No? Here numbering starts from left side, second carbon bromine. There numbering starts from right side, second carbon bromine. Is it clear? That means if you any symmetrical alkene gives a single product. Or symmetrical alkenes gives a single product. Example here bromoethane, or here bromine also bromoethane only. Here here bromine and here bromine, both are same. Both of these are same. These both are what? Same product you will get. Same product you are getting. Is it clear? That means the ultimate conclusion here is symmetrical alkenes. Symmetrical alkenes gives single product. Symmetrical alkenes. Symmetrical alkenes gives a single product. Symmetrical alkenes always gives what? Gives a single product, only one product, only one product. Where in EAR reaction, I'm talking about EAR, in this reaction symmetrical alkenes gives only one product. That means symmetrical reaction, okay, now symmetrical alkenes gives only one product in EAR reaction, in electrophilic addition reactions. Please, this is very, very important. Understood? Symmetrical means example here I gave you. Here I gave. What is symmetrical means? Double bond, carbon double bond. HCl3. This is symmetry. You make a line here. What happens? Both are same. If you make a line here, both are same. So these are symmetrical alkenes. So always symmetrical alkenes gives only one product. Only one product you will get. Please take a snapshot. Take a snapshot. Symmetrical alkenes always gives only one product. It is fixed. Please take a snapshot. Next one. If it is unsymmetrical alkene, next to be is very, very important. This will take a snapshot. Now I am changing this. Unsymmetrical alkenes gives two products. Unsymmetrical alkenes gives more than one. That is, unsymmetrical alkenes gives more than one product. More than one product you will get. Is it clear? Generally they will give two products. But which product is more stable is very, very important. Generally they will give two or more products. Which product is stable? I am going to explain now, taking example. Please listen carefully. Now listen carefully. Please, I will take one unsymmetrical alkene. For example, CH3, CH double bond CH2. This is alkene. Now if you make a line on the double bond, this side different, this side different. Simply I am telling you, make a line here. Make a line on the double bond. Double bond final line this side. This is unsymmetrical. Then when you are adding HBr to this, when you are adding it, I will write just this one little this side. Observe. Because yes, I will write here CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is unsymmetrical alkene. When I am adding HBr, then what happens? You will get two products. What are that? I will explain. One product is here. One product here I am writing. How? What are the two products? If H is adding to the middle one. That is, if H adding to middle one, what is that? CH3, CH2, obviously Br is added to what? Br is added to the last one. This will go to obviously this one only. Is it clear? That is one product. Now this is 1-bromo-propane. This name is what? 1-bromo-propane. 1-bromo-propane. Name of the product is 1-bromo-propane. Now let us write the another one. If H is added to this one, last one, what is the product? H is added to this one. What is the product? Br will add to the middle one. CH3, CH, Br, CH3. Correct. This is called 2-bromo-propane. 2-bromo what? Propane. So which one is correct? Is the question. 2-bromo-propane. Which one is correct? Is the question. So you are getting two products. One is 1-bromo-propane. Another one is what? 2-bromo-propane. So which one is correct and which one is more stable? This is explained by a scientist, Markovnikov. That I will explain the story. So according to the scientist, what is the mechanism? First, you should know the mechanism of this unsymmetrical alkenes. unsymmetrical alkenes mechanism I will explain. Mechanism I will explain. How means mechanism I will explain. How what is the mechanism is mechanism of the reaction. Mechanism of this reaction. If you check first step number one, in the step number one, H plus is electrophile. In the HB, generally how you write H plus Br minus. You know H is carrying the plus charge. That is here H is a plus charge, Br is a minus charge. Now plus means what is electrophile? They love the electron. Who loves the electron? Positive charge. Positive only loves the electron. Here who is electrophile? H plus is electrophile. This is electrophile. Why? Because it is carrying the positive charge. So this H plus is electrophile. This is added first. First this is added, followed by the Br minus. Followed by the Br minus. First H plus is added, followed by the Br minus. Ajay, please keep in mute. Ajay. Now first H plus is added first. Because this is a electrophile. Why? Because they carry the positive charge. This is adding first, tarvata, then followed by the Br minus. Please remember. So H plus is adding first, number one. After adding H plus, the intermediate is carbocation. The intermediate is carbocation. The intermediate is what? Carbocation. The intermediate is carbocation. So the mechanism contains, it is a two-step mechanism. Is it clear? Step number one. The step number one is what? H plus is electrophile. Electrophile is added. Addition of electrophile. Electrophile is added. Electrophile is added to whom? Added to one of the carbon double bond carbon. Out of two double bonds to one double bond. Okay, now to one of the carbons out of two double bond carbons today, one of the double bond carbons, either this or this, H plus is added. H plus is added to one of the double bond carbons. H plus is added to addition of H plus added to electrophile is added to one of the double bond carbon and forms carbocation as intermediate. Carbocation is the intermediate. Is it clear to you? So in the first step, what is the intermediate reaction? Intermediate is carbocation. So already I told you, whenever carbocation is there, hydrogen shift, methyl shift, and ring expansion, you have to remember always. Hydrogen shift, methyl shift, ring expansion. Is it clear to you? So carbocation has the intermediate. This step number one. In the step number two, what happens? Step number two, the Br minus, that is nucleophile. Br minus is added to whom? Added to carbocation. To whom it is adding? Carbocation. Is it clear? Br minus is added to carbocation and forms the product. Here forms what? Product. You will get the ultimate final stable product. That is major product. Stable product you will get. So these two are the mechanisms. I will explain with that example now. You should know what is mechanism. During the mechanism, what happens? First H plus. If it is HBr means H plus. Generally HBr addition H2O. In the H2O, HOH. If it is H2O means HOH. If it is HCN means HCN, like that. Means always H is added first, followed by the negative charge. H is added first and forms the carbocation. Is it clear? Take a snapshot, please, immediately. Please take a snapshot. Mahalakshmi, are you understanding? Mahalakshmi. Is to taking this example now. Okay. Now, same reaction I am writing here. CH3, CH double bond, CH2. First H plus is added. First, I told you already, H plus is added in the step number 1. This is step number 1 in the mechanism. What is the step number 1? I told you that the electrophile, that is H plus, is added. Then what is the here you will get two chances are there. H plus it may add to the middle carbon. Then you will get what? CH3, CH3, CH2. Then this will be CH2 only. The positive charge will go to other carbon. If H plus is added to the middle one, positive you will get here. If H plus is added to this one, this will get positive. Please remember, if H plus is added to this one, other carbon will get positive. If H plus is added to this one, this carbon will get positive. So this is primary carbocation. H carbocation, primary carbocation. Then if H plus is added to this one, you will get this product. What is that? CH3, next what? CH plus CH3. This is secondary carbocation. What is this? Secondary carbocation. So I already told you during the what is the stability of carbocation? Which carbocation is more stable?
Secondary.
I told you already which carbocation is benzocation. Next allyl. Next what? Tertiary. Tarvata secondary. Tarvata primary. Is it clear? So in this only secondary, primary is which one is more stable?
Secondary.
Carbocation, primary or secondary?
Secondary.
Secondary is less stable. This is less stable, and this is what? More stable. That means reaction will proceed like this. Now you can ask one question, sir. This primary also will convert to this one only. No, SN8 to hydrogen shift. Yes, you are 100% correct. Shift takes place. Shift will not take place. But this is a chain. This is step number 2 here. Step number 2, what happens to be the step number 2? This will continue. That is the carbocation CH3, CH plus CH3. Is it clear? Then Br minus will go and add here. Then what will CH3 2-bromopropane is the more stable carbocation. 2-bromopropane is the product. The product is what? 2-bromopropane. This is electrophilic. BRP, otherwise this OH means you will get alcohol. If it is cyanide means you will get cyanide like that. Is it clear to you? So you will get the product like that. Is it clear? Here I gave example of BR only, but there are many reactions are there. Additional reactions many are there. Just I gave one example of BR minus, but this negative they will change. This is fixed one. H plus is fixed. Other than H plus, you may have Br, you may have chlorine, you may have what? OH. You may have so many, basically a CN cyanide or OCH3 like that. Okay, now OCH3. So there are many are there. Understood? So that negative will go and bind to the stable carbocation. This is called addition reaction, electrophilic addition reaction mechanism to the unsymmetrical alkenes. And this is Markovnikov rule. As per Markovnikov rule, the stable carbocation is the intermediate. As per Markovnikov rule, the stable carbocation is the intermediate. Is it clear? You take a snapshot now. This is just intermediate level. What I taught you is just an intermediate level. Only. Is it clear? Please take a snapshot. Next one. So I'll give one by one example. I will give you. You try to answer the what is the product. Okay now, like You attempt the hydrogen shift, methyl shift, and all you attempt and try to answer. Try to answer, please. CH3, CH, CH3, CH, double bond, CH3. What is the name of this compound? 3-methyl butene, 1-butene. 3-methyl but-1-ene. 3-methyl but-1-ene. Is it clear? When you are adding same H, H2O, same H2O is added. So during H2O, what happens in first H plus is added followed by OH minus. So what is the product? They will ask. What is the product? What is the product? So what is the answer? First here what happens? Tell me. First CH3, CH, CH3, CH, double bond CH2. This is first which one is added? H plus followed by the OH minus. Now obviously H plus will add to this one or this one. You have to think which one it is added, first carbon or second carbon. First H plus is added to first carbon or second carbon. Anyone please? I request please answer.
CH2, sir.
Which is stable carbo,
Secondary.
which is stable carbocation. If H plus is added to this one, this will get positive. H plus is added to this one means this will get positive. Now tell me, H plus is added to first carbon or second carbon? You answer.
First carbon.
First carbon.
First carbon.
If H plus is added to first carbon, yes, H plus is added to first carbon means second carbon will get the. Please keep in mute, Amma Nikhil. Okay, Surat Nikhil will mute. H plus is added to first carbon. I wrote the carbon number also. I wrote first carbon means second will get the positive. So that is correct. Is it clear? So H plus is added to first carbon only. First plus is added to first carbon. Then what will you get here? Tell me what is the product after adding? First, what is the product you will get? CH3, correct? No. CH3, then CH plus is on this one. Next one is CH3. This is the product. Now, what will happen? What happens here? Anyone tell me? What happens here?
OH minus comes and attaches to this carbocation.
The process is called what? Which process?
Hydrogen shift.
Huh?
Hydrogen shift.
Hydrogen shift, sir.
Sahiti, are you there in the class? I will ask. Sahiti, are you there in the class? Sahiti?
Yes, sir.
Sahiti.
Yes, sir.
Demo therefore, sir, answer. Sahiti, what will happen here? Tell me now. This is important for your needs, Sahiti. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది దిస్ కార్బోకేటయాన్ టు హౌ మెనీ కార్బన్ ది కార్బోకేటయాన్ ఇక్కడ ఒక కార్బన్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ ఒక కార్బన్ ఇస్ బాండెడ్ టు హౌ మెనీ కార్బన్స్ ఆన్సర్ ప్లీజ్ ఐ నోట్ ఆన్ ద రెడ్ హౌస్ రెడ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ బాండెడ్ టు హౌ మెనీ కార్బన్స్ 2 కార్బన్స్ అవునా
Yes, sir.
ఈ మిడిల్ కార్బోకేటయాన్ ఉంది కదా ఇట్ ఈస్ బాండెడ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ టు దిస్ వన్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్ అవునా కదా దీంతో బాండెడ్ ఉంది చూడు ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ బాండెడ్ టు దిస్ వన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ బాండెడ్ టు దిస్ వన్ అర్థమైందా దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సెకండరీ కార్బో దీని సెకండ్ మన సెకండరీ కార్బోకేటయాన్ అంటాం దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ సెకండరీ కార్బోకేటయాన్ వై బికాజ్ దిస్ కార్బన్ ఈస్ బాండెడ్ టు 2 carbons here. It is not bonded to this one directly. You see, this is not bonded to this one directly. This is bonded to this carbon and this carbon. That's why it is called secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation. పక్కన ఇక్కడ ఇది పక్కన ఇది కార్బోకేటయాన్ కదా దీని పక్కన ఇది కార్బోకేటయాన్ this is which carbocation this is bonded to how many దీని పక్కన ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి here 1 2 3 so this is tertiary ఈ కార్బన్ టెరిషరీ దిస్ ఇస్ సెకండరీ కార్బోకేటయాన్ దీని పక్కన ఉన్న ఇది ఏంటి దిస్ ఇస్ టెరిషరీ అంటే సెకండరీ పక్కనే టెరిషరీ ఉంటే సెకండరీ పక్కనే టెరిషరీ ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది
Sir, your voice is stucking, sir.
దీని పక్కనే టెరిషరీ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఈ హైడ్రోజన్ ఏమో ఇక్కడ షిఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది ఈ పాజిటివ్ ఏమో ఇక్కడ ఉంది సెకండరీ కార్బోకేటయాన్ పక్కన ఇమిడియట్ గా టెరిషరీ ఏమవుతుంది హైడ్రోజన్ షిఫ్ట్ ఉంది ఎస్ అమ్మా
Your voice is stucking, sir.
My volume is
Striking.
now you check is it okay to you?
No, sir.
Again it's striking, sir.
No, sir. It's not clear.
Is it okay, Amma?
Not clear, sir.
No, it is.
No.
No.
Now is it okay to you?
No.
Is it okay?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it okay, Amma?
No, sir.
No.
Resounding, sir.
Please check once. Ade. 1 minute, all of you, please wait. 1 minute. I network now. Please wait. 1 minute, Amma. Screen will go now. Now you check once. My voice is okay? I changed the network.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Is okay, but not clear, sir.
Now is it okay to you? Now you check.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
okay to you now? Huh?
No.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See,
Sir.
this is listen. Please listen. Keep in mute. This is secondary carbocation. This is secondary carbocation. The immediate next tertiary unte. Secondary carbocation immediate tertiary unte emotundi. The positive will shift to tertiary. The hydrogen here will shift to this will shifting out unte. Positive will shift to tertiary. What is the product? What is the product here? Please keep in mute. What is the product here? CH3, C plus CH2 here, CH3 and CH3. Is it clear? This is tertiary carbocation. Is my voice audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Huh?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now check. Now here what happens? Now what is the difference? This is already means if hydrogen is added, please understand hydrogen is added to this carbon, this carbon will get the positive charge. Hydrogen added to this carbon means this carbon will get positive. That is secondary. Why secondary? Because this carbon bonded to only two carbon. That's why it is secondary. But immediate next you have the tertiary means the positive charge will shift to this one. The hydrogen will shift to this one. This you will get. This is called hydride shift. Hydride shift. Is it clear to you? Shift. Hydride shift something. Please understand the concept, Amma. Sahiti, you understood Sahiti?
Ha, sir, understood.
Okay, next. Sravya. Understood, Amma, Sravya?
Sir, yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Now what happens? Now here the product, what is the which product you will get here? Tell me the OH minus will come and bind to that one. Correct? No. The OH minus will come and bind to this one. Means what is the product you will get here? Tell me. That OH minus will come and bind to this one means the product is CH3 C OH here because the positive is here. Here H2O no. H plus already binded no. Remaining OH is there no. That OH will come and bind here. You get CH2 here, CH3 here. This is the product. Is it clear to you? This is the ultimate product. So this product is this one. That means the even though hydrogen is adding to this one, here you will get the OH because of stable carbocation. Stable carbocation. Is it clear to you, everyone? Is it clear to you? Please take snapshot immediately. The product here, the product is this is a product. This is a stable product. This is a stable major product. Stable and major product is this one. So this is a mechanism from here to this one to hydrogen shift, and this is the next step. So we'll get this is the product. Please write down or take snapshot immediately.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the question, the last carbon contains CH3, but in the answer solution you gave CH2, sir.
Where?
Last this side, before H plus, sir. Up, sir.
Huh?
Up, sir. Almost.
Huh?
Starting step, sir. CH2 you wrote, but in the question CH3 is there.
In the
Beside
question
of
CH3. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Now take snapshot. Before one delete. Now take snapshot. Next one. This is just basic level I am teaching, but more levels are there. In the second, cis trans is there. Please remember, cis and trans also there. Means hydrogen add to cis position, bromine to trans position. That all will come in competition exams. I will teach one by one. Next one. What is the product? What is the product? You answer. Next one, please try to answer what is the product. CH2. Is it clear? To this we are adding HBr. Okay, now what is the product? Where H and where Br will go and bind? This is a question. Here what happens? You answer. Think and answer. First H will go bind here or here you think. Here this carbon or this carbon you think. Then if it is this carbon means this will get positive. Then shifting takes place or not you think. And what is the product you have to answer.
So we can answer.
Yes. Where the bromine will go, tell me. Bromine will go to, let us give numbering. Number 1, number 2. Let us take this as number 3. Let us take this as number 4. Then where the bromine will go and bind? That you tell me.
Third carbon.
How many of you say third carbon?
Sir, first we go to the second carbon and then it will shift to third carbon and then methyl shift will take place.
Excellent. First it will go to, first head hydrogen will attack to which carbon?
First carbon.
Second one.
Yes, very good. Hydrogen will
Oh
go
yeah,
and attack
hydrogen
to first
first.
carbon.
Yeah.
First H will go and bind to this one. H will go and bind to this one. This will get the positive charge. This will get the positive charge. Immediately, this positive charge will shift here. Then what happens? That methyl group will come and bind here. Correct? No. Then this will get the methyl. Then the product is CH3, C, Br. Here you see, and CH3. Sir, what happened to this CH3 means it is shifted here. CH, you can write anywhere, up or down, no problem. Up or down, you can write, no problem. Single bond, CH what? CH3, because one hydrogen binded here, CH3. This is the product. This is the ultimate product. Is it clear to you? Understood? No, this is the product. Why? Because the methyl, this is called methyl shift. The entire methyl group will come and bind to the carbocation. The positive charge on this will go to this one. The positive charge on this will go to this one. Methyl will come and shift. Yesterday I explained. I think it's the 5th or 6th time I am explaining here. Now, next one. What is the product? Again, next. What is the product? Next one. Phenyl, benzene, CH, double bond, CH, single bond, CH3. It is adding to HBr. Now tell me H will go and bind where, Br will go and bind where. And give numbering. Is it clear to you? Let us write this as number 1. Let us write this as number 2. Let us write this as number 3. Number 4 is the benzene carbon. Let us write 4 as the benzene carbon. Carbon on the benzene. Now, first you tell H will go and bind where? 1, 2, 3, 4. H will go and bind where? 1, 2, 3, 4. H will go and bind where?
Second carbon atom, sir.
Second carbon atom. Akash.
Yes, sir.
Who answers Akash?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Correct. Very good. H will go and bind the second one. Then who will get the positive charge? Tell me.
Third carbon atom, sir.
Carbon atom. So any shift is any shift takes place. Any shift?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, but because that itself is a benzyl carbocation. So here what happens here? pH means benzene. Here you get CH2 plus this is benzyl carbocation, the most stable. I told you benzyl. Next allyl, tertiary, secondary, primary. So this is benzyl carbocation. The CH2 here, no, CH3 here. Understood? No? Correct or wrong? Then we have to what is the product? pH, CH, Br here, CH2, CH3. This is a and no shift, no need of shift. Why? Because no need of any shift. Any shift. Why? Because already stable. Already stable. Is it clear? Already stable. So please always don't be in assume. Carbocation means don't be in assume that if it is required, then only it is shifting. Otherwise, it won't shift. Please take snapshot immediately. Take a snapshot immediately. Now, this is about the electrophilic addition reactions. Electrophilic addition reactions, but there is a very deeply. If you want to go, it is very deeply. We can go, but because the addition of cis, trans, how they are added, all these are there in this. I will give one assignment, just a small example. I will give you. You try to. Is it clear? You try to answer. Is it clear? What is the major product? Okay, I will give one example. Assignment CH2 double bond, or I will give bond line formula. Better bond line formula because always writing like this, you are habitual like this only. I will give a bond line formula. You know already bond line formula. That is double bond, and here is double bond. Double bond. You see, there are two double bonds are there. You see, this is mains level, somewhat more complex, but we are adding only one HBr. Adding only one HBr means in example they will give is HBr, but they will give only one equivalent. One equivalent. You know what is the meaning of one equivalent? Means only one means only one hydrogen, one bromine. That's the one hydrogen, one bromine. What is the product? I will give options to you. I will give options to you. Please, okay, try to answer. Option A. Option A. Bromine here, double bond here. Option B. Option B. CH3 here and bromine here. I did not write this. This is indicating CH3 only, no? This is indicating CH3, Amma. This is indicating CH3. CH3 there. The dash is indicating up CH3 is there. Option C. Option C. Option C. Bromine attached here. Here. Double bond here. Option D. What is the option?
Sir, is it option B?
Sir, option B.
It's
No, no,
option
no.
B.
Tomorrow you tell. Tomorrow you tell, please. Not now. Understand this type of typical questions they will ask in your okay now first exam. Simply shifting. That is important, but only shifting will not work out. Okay, you have to know very clearly what are the major product also. Okay, now this type, and I will give another one. I will try to give another one now. Shall I give answer to this? At least you try how it is. I'll give answer. Can you try how it is? Shall I give answer to this?
No, sir.
No. Shall I give another question to you?
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Yes. Another question. Means in advanced and need tough level question if they want, what kind of question they will give I'm explaining now. Now see, generally EAR, electrophilic addition reaction is 3 additions are there. Please remember dear students, electrophilic addition means 3 additions are there. Addition of to the double bond and addition of HBr or HX. HX here, X means what? Chlorine, bromine, or addition of HOH, that is water. Here water, or addition of Br2, that is bromine. These 3 are nothing but electrophilic addition reaction to carbon double bond carbon. Electrophilic addition reaction to carbon double bond carbon. Here what is X? Board is visible to you. Here X is indicating what? X means nothing but what? That is X is what there? X
Halogen.
is chlorine,
Halogen group.
halogen. X is what? Halogen. Clear to you? X is the halogen. I mean, if you want, I'll explain again. First, H, X. X indicating halogen. H, OH, water. This water. And Br also. This is also. In this, one of the bromine is electrophile and another bromine is nucleophile because of the size. Bromine size is bigger. Now keep it that in mind. I will give you one question to you. Try to answer. Try to answer. Try to answer. Which one is a product?
Sir, I'm not getting your video, sir.
Amma?
I'm not getting
Any
your
problem in
video.
the video? Nikhil?
Sir.
Is any problem in the video?
No, sir.
Okay. If I think from your side problem. Okay now. So this is cis. This is cis 2-butene. The name is cis 2-butene. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a butene, cis 2-butene. When you are adding to this butene, when you are adding bromine, Br2. When you are adding bromine, Br2. What is the product? They will ask. Okay now. This is a question. If it is cis, what is the product? I will give 4 options to you. Option A is CH3 here. Is it clear? CH3. Bromine is here. Hydrogen here. Again, bromine is here. Hydrogen here. Option 1. Please check the options carefully, please. Option 1. And option 2 is second option. Option B is option B. CH3 here, bromine here, CH3 here, H here. Option 2. Observe carefully the options. Is it clear? Option C they will give. Option C they will give CH3 here, CH3 here, bromine here, hydrogen, and what is the hydrogen here, bromine here, bromine there. Is it clear? Is it clear to you? Next, option 4 they will give, option D they will give, option D, CH3, CH3, hydrogen, okay, na, hydrogen, okay, bromine, bromine, and here also bromine, here also bromine. This is a all bromine they will give. So what is the correct option? They will ask you for cis. If it is cis, what is the product? Is it clear? That is a question. Understood? See, this is somewhat more complicated questions in the addition reactions only. See, before I gave you symmetrical, unsymmetrical, hydrogen shift, very simple. Everyone answered, I observed. Next, methyl shift, everyone answered, I observed. But the previous question, this question, you have to think a lot. Means we are going slowly to the complicated IIT level questions. Simple level questions, you understood how they are. Mains level questions, you understood. This is KVPY and advanced level questions. These are KVPY and advanced level questions. These are. Is it clear? This one. Again, one more question I will give you. If it is trans, this is question number 1. For example, question number 2 is C double bond C. For example, CH3 here, hydrogen here. This is trans. CH3 here, hydrogen. Trans 2-butene. Trans 2-butene. When you are adding bromine, what is the product? What is the product? Means you will get different product. You know that it is cis. What is cis 2-butene? Cis is the same side. Cis 2-butene adding bromine, the product. Trans 2-butene adding bromine, what is the product? Products are different. But sir, both are bromine only. Both are 2-butenes, no sir. Correct. Both are 2-butene only. Both are 2-butene only. Correct. But what happened here? This trans position, this is cis. Product will change. Are you understanding? So this type of questions they will ask in advanced level and KVPY advanced level and KVPY questions. These are some of the KVPY model questions. Is it clear to you? This is if it is, forget about this, trans 2-butene. Trans 2-butene. When trans 2-butene react with the bromine, what is the product? Or cis 2-butene react with the bromine, what is the product? Is it clear? Like this is cis, but this is Fischer projection. In the options there will be in the Fischer. This is Fischer. Is it clear to you? This is Fischer type. Is it clear? So see how they will give the questions in different competitive exams. Please try to understand. Okay, now how they will give exams, how they will give questions in different competitive examinations. Is it clear? Understood, no? So do you want me to explain today only or you will try tomorrow? Answer please.
Option C, sir.
Option C.
Which one?
Option
Why?
C,
Why?
cis 2-butene.
You have to answer why. I request please in competition exams no guessings please. No guessings in competition exams please. If you guess negative marking, definitely it will go wrong. 90% will go wrong. Don't go guessing in any competition exam. You should know the perfect reason why. You should know a perfect reason why that is correct. Why not others correct? Why others wrong? That also you should know. So to think all this, tomorrow I will explain 3 questions to you. That is addition reactions. In addition reactions, what are the top level questions they will ask you? I will explain tomorrow. Is it clear to you? And tomorrow I will start elimination reaction. These 3 I will explain. With that addition reactions are over. That is electrophilic addition reactions are over. Next I will start elimination. When I am teaching elimination, I will combine that with egg substitution. substitution versus elimination. Always there is a competition between them. That means substitution takes place or elimination takes place. Always there is a confusion to the students. They will give one reaction. They will give one reaction. They will give 4 options. In that 2 are substitution products, 2 are elimination products. So I will remove the confusion. Elimination versus substitution. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I am going to explain elimination and substitution. What are the how they are connected, and what is the correct product? How to answer correct product? I am going to explain tomorrow, day after tomorrow classes. Now don't leave the class. Don't leave the class. I request all the students to please again I'm telling you, be regular. Please don't tell me any answer that